Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram song currently unavailable. So let's jump right in. Sometimes in Instagram, the song you want to play is not available in your country, and to fix this, you can try update your Instagram. So go open your Play Store and check for an update. If you see an available update button for the Instagram app, simply click on it. This action will initiate the update process for your Instagram app. Updating the Instagram app can often resolve certain issues you might be experiencing. While it doesn't guarantee that all the problems will be fixed, it can address and resolve some of the issues within the application. Another troubleshooting step you can take is to check if the Instagram is experiencing any server issues or downtime. This means that even if you have a stable internet connection and Wi-Fi, Instagram server may be encountering problems that prevent proper access to the platform. A common approach is to visit websites like downdetector.com or downrightnow.com. These platforms provide information about the status of various online services, including Instagram. By checking if Instagram is listed among the first few services experiencing issues on these websites, you can determine if there is a widespread problem with Instagram. If Instagram is prominently listed, there is generally no specific action required for your end. In such cases, you may need to wait until Instagram resolves the issue on their end. If Instagram is not listed on the websites mentioned earlier, the problem might be specific to your region, such as certain features or songs not being available. In that situation, you can either choose a different song or explore alternative options. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.